Urea-Alpha Hydroxy Acids Cream is used as a moisturizer to treat or prevent dry, rough, scaly, itchy skin and minor skin irritations. It softens and moisturizes the skin, decreases itching and flaking, and protects the skin against irritation. Dry skin is caused by a loss of water in the upper layer of the skin, and this cream works by forming an oily layer on the top of the skin that traps water in the skin. It also contains ingredients that soften the top layer of skin cells and help the dead skin cells fall off, leaving the skin feeling smoother and softer. This cream can be used daily, and it is best to apply it after bathing or showering. Make sure to use this cream as directed, and some products may need to be primed before use, so follow all directions on the product package. If you have any questions, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Some products may need to be shaken before use, so be sure to check the label. Apply the cream to the affected areas of the skin as needed or as directed on the label or by your doctor. The frequency of application will depend on the product and your skin condition. For dry hands, you may need to apply the cream every time you wash your hands throughout the day. If you are using this cream to treat diaper rash, make sure to clean the diaper area well before use and allow the area to dry before applying the cream. For treating radiation skin burns, check with radiation personnel to see if your brand can be applied before radiation therapy. Follow all the directions on the label for proper use and apply to the skin only. Avoid sensitive areas such as your eyes, inside your mouth/nose, and the vaginal/groin area, unless directed otherwise by the label or your doctor. Consult your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Use this cream regularly to get the most benefit from it. Apply the product after bathing or showering while the skin is still damp, and for very dry skin, your doctor may instruct you to soak the area before using the cream. Long, hot, or frequent bathing/washing can worsen dry skin. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. Using Urea-Alpha Hydroxy Acids Cream is generally safe, but some people may experience burning, stinging, redness, or irritation. If these effects persist or worsen, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist right away. It's important to note that if your doctor has prescribed this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the risks. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to contact your doctor immediately if you notice any unusual changes in the skin, signs of a skin infection, or symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. Remember, this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report any side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Urea-Alpha Hydroxy Acids Cream, make sure to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have to the ingredients in the cream. If you have any skin cuts, infections, or sores, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using this product. Be aware that some ingredients in the cream, such as preservatives or fragrance, can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Check the label for any warnings and ask your doctor or pharmacist if you need to take any special precautions when outdoors. If you have acne-prone skin, look for the word non-comedogenic on the label to prevent any worsening of acne. Additionally, some products may stain or discolor clothing, so be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more details. If you are pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or breastfeeding, it's important to consult with your doctor before using this product to ensure the safety for both you and your baby. And before having any surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are currently using. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions, as they can affect how your medications work and increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication regimen. If this cream is ingested, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can call their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Always keep this cream out of reach of children to avoid accidental ingestion. When it comes to preventing dry skin, there are a few simple strategies you can try. First, use lukewarm water instead of hot water when bathing, and try to limit your baths or showers to every 1 to 2 days. Keep your bathing time short, and consider using a humidifier if the air in your home is very dry. There are various types of emollient products available, including those with fragrance or other ingredients that some people may be sensitive to. These products come in different forms such as oils, creams, lotions, or sprays. It's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist to find the product that may be best for you. As for the Urea-Alpha Hydroxy Acids Cream, it can be used to help moisturize and soften dry, rough skin. It is typically applied to the affected areas of the skin once or twice a day, as directed by your healthcare provider. It's best to apply the cream at a time when it can be fully absorbed, such as after bathing or showering. Remember to follow the specific instructions provided by your healthcare provider for the best results. If you forget to use the Urea-Alpha Hydroxy Acids Cream on your regular schedule, you can use it as soon as you remember. But do not apply extra cream or use it more frequently than directed to make up for the missed dose. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Avoid storing the foam canister near high heat or open flames. Since the foam canister is pressurized, do not puncture or burn it. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed. Properly dispose of this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.